Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to automatically post from Facebook page to LinkedIn. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I post content related to my business on my Facebook page. Here to create more customers' engagement, I also want to share the posts that I've shared on my Facebook page on my LinkedIn profile. If I'm going to do this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was, I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, what we are going to learn is that as soon as I'm going to publish a new post on my Facebook page, automatically that same post is going to be shared on my LinkedIn profile as well. And for that, we are going to create an automation between Facebook and LinkedIn with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to automatically post from Facebook page to LinkedIn. So I'm an owner of a digital marketing agency and maintaining consistent presence across social media platforms is essential for maximizing audience engagement and brand visibility. By automatically creating Facebook page post as LinkedIn post, businesses can efficiently streamline their content distribution and ensure that their messages reaches a broader audience without additional efforts. For instance, when a new blog post, promotional offer or company update is shared on Facebook, it can be automatically published on LinkedIn as post, ensuring timely updates across both channels. This not only saves time but also helps in building a brand narrative, allowing businesses to engage different audience segments on each platform. And we are going to be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Automatically Post from Facebook Page to LinkedIn. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook page automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on create. In order to create a workflow, a workflow is created in the name of Automatically Post from Facebook page to LinkedIn, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first, and for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook pages. As here my objective is that as I post content related to my digital marketing agency on my Facebook page that I've created to create more customers engagement for the brand that I have, okay? Here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to create a new post on my Facebook page, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the trigger application, I selected it as Facebook pages. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new post, as whenever a new post is going to be published on my Facebook page, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the trigger application, I selected it as Facebook page, and for the trigger event as new post, okay? After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After selecting add new connection, you can see it says connect with Facebook pages. I'm going to click on this button, but before that, remember to log into your Facebook account on a new tab so that connecting Pabbly Connect with Facebook can be much easier. Okay, so as I've already logged in, I'm going to click on this button right over here. As you can see that we successfully authorized Facebook pages to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select a Facebook page on which we are going to create a post, and Pabbly Connect should capture the response of those posts. So I've created a Facebook page in the name of Digital Dynamics, as you can see right over here. And on this page, whenever I'm going to create a new post, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So for the page over here, I'm going to search for Digital Dynamics, okay? After selecting the Facebook page, I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. As I'm going to do that, you can see over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So as over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. Now to check whether Facebook page is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new post on our Facebook page that we have created, okay? So for creating a new post over here, I'm going to click on this photo video button right over here. It is asking for the article right over here that I want to create as a post on my Facebook page. So for the article over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the article, the post that I want to create on my Facebook page. It's for elevating your business with expert digital marketing solutions. It's a promotional message, as you can see right over here, okay? And for the photos and the videos, I'm going to add a photo right over here. So this is the picture that I want to add with this post right over here, okay? After entering all the required details, I'm going to post this content on my Facebook page right over here. As you can see right over here, the content has now been successfully posted on my Facebook page. You can see right over here. As this post has now been published on my Facebook page, I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to scroll down. And yes, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response. Let us tally the response for the message. Over here, you can see this is the same content that we have posted on our Facebook page. It's been captured in our response right over here. And this is the link that has been provided. So I'm going to copy this link from here. And I'm going to open this link in a new tab right over here. And you can see this was the same image that we have posted as a photograph with the post on our Facebook page. You can see right over here has been captured in the response. Okay. So as now Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the new post being published on my Facebook page, this means that Facebook page is now connected to Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new post is going to be created on my Facebook page, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. Now after connecting Facebook pages to Pabbly Connect, here my objective is that whenever a new post is going to be posted on my Facebook page, automatically that same post should be created on my LinkedIn profile as well. So now we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as LinkedIn. So I'm going to select my action application as LinkedIn. And for the action event, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as share an article or URL right over here. So I've selected the action event and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear in front of you, on which you can add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with LinkedIn. As you can see that we successfully authorized LinkedIn to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the author. So for the author, I'm going to select the author from the drop down. You need to select the author who is sharing the content on your LinkedIn, okay? After that, it is asking for the content that we want to post, okay? So for the content over here, what we are going to do is for the data of the content, we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see this was the previous step of this workflow, that is Facebook pages new post. And as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here, it is asking for the content. Over here, we've received the message that is the content right away that I want to post on my LinkedIn page as well. So what I'm going to do is from my previous response, I'm going to select this data of the content. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data, okay? After that, it is asking for the URL. So for the URL over here, I'm going to map the data of the URL of the image that I've received in my previous response, okay? After mapping the content and the URL, it is asking for the visibility. I want the visibility to be public. So I'm going to select the visibility over here as public. Okay, after filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received the ID, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my LinkedIn profile and I'm going to check whether a new content has been posted on my LinkedIn account or not. For that, I'm going to open my LinkedIn account. This is the post page of my LinkedIn account. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see right over here a new post has been created on my LinkedIn profile. You can see right over here, this was the same content that we have posted on our Facebook page. You can see right away has been posted on my LinkedIn profile. And for the link over here, as I'm going to click on it, it's the link of the image, the same image that we have posted on our Facebook page. As you can see right away has been posted on my LinkedIn profile as well. So as we have posted the same content on our LinkedIn profile, this means that we successfully created an automation between Facebook and LinkedIn with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, as an owner of a digital marketing agency, to create more customers engagement, I post content related to my agency on my Facebook page. Now I want to attract more wider audience but on different platforms. Okay. So what I did was I simply automated Facebook with LinkedIn so that whenever a new post is going to be posted on my Facebook page related to my business, automatically that same content is going to be posted on my LinkedIn profile as well to create more customers engagement for the brand that I have. And we have automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.